Today's presentation focuses on NESCO hose pipe clamps, which are specifically designed to provide secure and durable connection solutions for a wide range of applications. Let us begin by discussing the fundamental principles that constitute the foundation of reliable connections and the importance of using high-quality components to maintain system integrity. In any automotive, plumbing, or industrial application, reliable hose connections are vital to prevent costly and potentially hazardous leaks. NESCO hose pipe clamps present a trusted solution, standing out as a high-quality, secure, and durable choice for these critical connection scenarios. They are produced by NESCO Auto Products in Ludhiana, Punjab, a manufacturer benefiting from decades of industry experience and expertise. Furthermore, each clamp is engineered for excellence, designed with a core focus on achieving superior strength and advanced anti-corrosion properties that surpass the performance of standard clamps. This rigorous engineering and manufacturing process results in a product that delivers what can be described as unparalleled performance and versatility across its intended applications. A primary attribute of NESCO clamps is their exceptional torque strength. To verify this, each clamp undergoes rigorous digital torque testing to ensure optimal performance and a consistently powerful grip. NESCO clamps boast torque values over 4.7 Newton meters, which significantly surpasses the industry standard of approximately 3.5 Newton meters. For more demanding high-pressure environments, our high-strength SS304 grade clamps can achieve exceptional torque values up to 9.1 Newton meters. This superior torque strength is what guarantees a truly secure, non-slip, and leak-proof seal under various high-pressure conditions. Our product's excellence begins with its superior materials and design. We utilize premium, high-grade stainless steel, specifically SS304, which delivers unmatched resistance to rust, corrosion, and oil degradation. This high level of corrosion resistance makes our clamps ideal for harsh environments, including marine, agricultural, and industrial settings. Furthermore, the clamp bands feature precisely rolled edges. This critical design element protects the hose surface from damage, shearing, or extrusion. This combination of material and design ensures lasting performance and reliability, thereby extending the lifespan of entire hose systems. This leads us to the broad application spectrum of our products. In the automotive sector, they are essential for securing critical components like radiator hoses and fuel lines. In plumbing, they provide versatile and secure connections for garden hoses, water pipes, and hydraulic lines, ensuring leak-free performance. For industrial and agricultural use, our clamps are crucial for maintaining connections on heavy machinery and complex irrigation systems. Their utility even extends to the home, offering dependable solutions for general-purpose household repairs and securing gas supply lines, proving their versatility across all fields. We offer a diverse range of clamp types and sizes to meet specific needs. Our worm drive clamps are the most common and versatile type, providing a powerful, adjustable grip for a wide array of applications. We provide clamps in various stainless steel grades, including SS304 and SS202, for maximum corrosion resistance. For convenience, our butterfly clamps feature a handle for easy, tool-free tightening and loosening. Finally, our mini hose clamps are specifically suited for small diameter hoses and precise fuel line applications, ensuring a snug and secure fitting every time. These factors all combine to reinforce one central point when it comes to dependable quality and performance in every connection. NESCO is your trusted choice.